Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Milton local and long-distance movers near me. With the right moving services and the right moving team, you can gain peace of mind. Our professional Milton movers will help you with your long-distance move, no matter how far you need to go. We also offer additional moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Rationalizing the price of a Georgia moving company when you're just moving a few miles might be difficult. However, hiring a local moving company provides convenience and professionals to protect your things. We save you time and save you from the back-breaking work of lifting all your heavy items. When you hire a local moving company, such as 3 movers, you get a team ready to streamline the entire process. It might take you an entire week to pack up and move. Our team can do it all in one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Milton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.